Right off the back and straight after CES 2026, like I promised, I've now got Soundcore's AeroFit 2 Pro, which means I can give you a first look experience of this game-changing pair of earbuds. What makes these earbuds game-changing, you ask? Is all about having the best of both worlds, and it's all thanks to the hybrid 2-in-1 functional design that pretty much redefines what earphones like these can do. Soundcore are pretty much claiming the AeroFit 2 Pro to be the world's first earphones to switch between open-ear and half-in-ear with ANC modes, combining the comfort and awareness of open-wear style when it comes to these earbuds with the noise cancellation and sound of half-in-ear fit, flipped with a simple ear hook adjustment. What does it all mean? Well, look, first point is one pair of earbuds with two listening modes, all done effortlessly with a secure fit. If you need more awareness of your environment, or ANC active noise cancelling mode when you switch to the half-in-ear mode when it comes to the hearing and wearing style. Second point is about adaptive and flexible listening comfort, and this is all thanks to the flexible ear hook 2.0 design that offers 5 levels of adjustment for all day comfort, while the adaptive ANC 3.0 scans your ear and surroundings every 0.3 seconds for more efficient noise cancellation in ANC mode. Last major point is the pure, authentic, studio-grade sound that Soundcore are known for, and it's no different here with the AeroFit 2 Pro. The innovative acoustic structure with the 11.8mm composite drivers really gives you powerful sound. On top of having adaptive EQ with ANC mode, optimal sound is always being pushed with the AeroFit 2 Pro. Adding to the updated tech features like Bluetooth 6.1, 4 mic array with clear calls powered by AI, IP55 rating with sweat guard, which is perfect for exercise, multi-point connection with LDAC in single point mode, button control, up to 7 hours of listening with up to a total of 34 hours with the charging case, which uses fast charging to give you 3.5 hours up to of listening with just 10 minutes of charge. Yes, this is a quick first look, but we still have a decent amount to get through, so let's unbox the AeroFit 2 Pro and see what we get inside. The packaging is typical Soundcore, yet so clever and bespoke to the AeroFit 2 Pro, and it's all paying homage to the 2-in-1 nature of the earbuds using this holographic design, which when you tilt and move, shows the open ear and the half-in-ear wearing styles. It may be hard to see it on camera, but this is slick and really cool. Once you get in, you're presented with graphics and clear instructions of how to use the earbuds. Then you have the charging case with the earbuds inside, a standard USB-A to USB-C cable for charging, and booklets. Back to the charging case with the earbuds. You have a USB-C port for charging with a pairing button at the back. Once you are inside, there is an LED indicator for pairing and charging, with the earbuds marked with a corresponding blue color for the right and a dark gray color for the left. In hand, the earbuds feel well built and skin friendly. Thanks to the use of soft touch materials and the adjustable ear hook 2.0 design is smooth and locks in place nicely. We've pretty much talked about the 2-in-1 design, but a quick mention that it does come in 4 colorway options, which are matte black, gloss white, gloss blue, and matte purple. Very nice options. And at this first stage, I will say depending on the region you're in, you might be limited to what options you can get. But of course, the one I have here for this first look is the matte black. How is the overall fit and comfort? And I have to say, before the sound quality, this is definitely the best part because it feels friendly, soft, and comfortable. Hooking to your ear is straightforward and easy with no hassle as it stays in place, no stress. This is where the use of skin-friendly and soft touch materials makes all the difference, because wearing them for a long period of time feels effortless. The ear hook 2.0 design with the ability to adjust in 5 positions makes going into the half-in-ear mode with ANC so seamless. And to be honest, I know it's not technically a full in-ear earbud with ear tips, but it fits very well. Sound quality. This is one area I know Soundcore never disappoints, but yet I still came into this surprised by just how good the sound was on the AeroFit 2 Pro. And I think it's because I thought with the approach of a 2-in-1 design to listening, this would somehow compromise the sound, but it just didn't end up being the case at all, which is just phenomenal for what they've been able to do here for the AeroFit 2 Pro. Now look, since this is a first look and I've had such a limited time with it, I kept things simple and easy as possible by updating the drivers to the latest firmware, then also kept the EQ preset to the trusted Soundcore signature mode, turned on LDAC since I was using this on my Galaxy S25 Ultra, and tested it with a couple of tracks that I know push drivers on earbuds. One of those tracks being Drake's Pound Cake featuring Jay-Z, where if anyone knows this track, the intro drop is heavy, so it can catch some drivers out, and the AeroFit 2 Pro held up perfectly. And this was with intelligent noise cancellation on. More time needs to be spent on the sound quality, especially considering the wide range of music genres I enjoy listening to at different times and moods, from house music, R&B, hip hop, Afrobeats, rock, funk, soul, and more. For now though, the AeroFit 2 Pro is doing well when it comes to sound. Quick overview of the software and app features, and yet again, typical Soundcore with a nice user interface, which is fast, smooth, and the operation is nice and clear with all the feature sets it has. You have the ability to enable intelligent noise cancellation with the option of wind noise reduction, 5 default preset EQs to select from, with an additional 17 preset EQs to choose from, the ability to set your own custom EQs and spatial audio. There is an option for gaming mode for low latency monitoring when LDAC is disabled, dual connection mode with the option for auto switching or manual, options for controls for the left and the right buttons on the earbuds using a single, double, triple press, and long press to activate the actions you desire. Alongside other quality of life features like sound mode, prompt tone, auto power off, find my device, usage tips, and firmware updates, Soundcore have you covered when it comes to software and features. From this first look alone, considering the target MSRP is £179.99, Soundcore are more than onto something here when it comes to the AeroFit 2 Pro. If you're interested in ordering these for yourself, then check and use the links in the description below. And thank you to Soundcore for supporting this first look of the AeroFit 2 Pro.